In the previous lectures, I was using the term variable on a couple of occasions. We were assigning values to variables. But what are variables? A variable is a way of referring to a memory location used by a computer program. Variables hold references to data, like numbers, strings, and other types. In Python, we don't declare variables like in some other languages, but we must initialize them before they can be used. We don't bind variables to any particular data type, so one variable may refer to a number at one time and to a string or something else at another. Let's have a look at this. A equals 7. Here we are creating a variable named A and assigning the value 7 to this variable. 7 is a number, which means now the variable A refers to a number. We say that the variable A holds reference to the integer object 7. Integers are whole numbers. Now we can print the value of A, and it's 7. Now we have another variable, let's call it B, equal to A. Well, what this means is now B holds reference to the same integer as A. Let's check it out. B, 7, that's right. And now have a look at this. A equals ABC. So what is happening now is A is dumping the reference to the integer, and now it references the string ABC. So as you can see, the same variable may reference an integer at one time and a string at another time. When I press enter and echo the variable A, here we have the new value which is assigned to this variable. Now B still holds reference to the integer, so we can print B and we have the value 7. And now we can change the value assigned to B, like so. B equals 2.5. So what's going on here? Now B references the newly created float object. Float numbers are numbers with a decimal point. And now let's print B. As we can see, B now references this float. Now after this line of code, the integer object 7 will be orphaned. No other variable will be referencing it, and it will be removed by Python. Multiple assignment. Python allows multiple assignment. You can assign one value to multiple variables at the same time. Have a look at this. A equals B equals C equals 6. What this means is this value is assigned to each of these three variables. Let's check it out. A, 6. B, 6. C, 6. Okay. It's possible to assign multiple comma-separated values to multiple comma-separated variables in one go. And they are assigned in the order of appearance. So for example, A, B, C equals hello, 6, 21.75. So here we have three variables separated by a comma and three objects separated by a comma as well. And they are assigned in the same order. So hello is assigned to A, 6 is assigned to B, and 21.75 is assigned to C. And let's check it out. 8, hello, B, 6, C, 21.75. Deleting references to objects. We can delete the reference to an object by using the del keyword. For example, A equals 5. Here we created a new variable A and assigned the value 5 to it. We can check the value of A, it's 5. And now we can delete A, and after we do that, A doesn't exist anymore. If we try to echo the value of A, we get an error, name error. Name A is not defined, which means it was removed. Identity. We can use the ID function to check if two variables reference the same object. Let's check it out. A equals 70, B equals A. And now let's check the identity of A. Here we have it. And the identity of B. As we can see, these two identities are identical. This is because both A and B reference the same object, which is an integer number 70. And this is because here we assigned A to B. And now let's create two different integer objects. X equals 8, Y equals 1. And now let's check the identity of X and of Y. As you can see, now these two values are different because X and Y reference two different objects.